How to deposit checks using Cheese mobile app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to deposit checks with Cheese mobile app. So first thing first, you want to open the Cheese mobile app and log into your account. As you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. So here you just want to click on pay and transfer, or just look for these option that says deposit checks in the menu. As you find it so, or select, then you need to choose the checking or saving account where you want to fund, or where you want the funds to go. You then need to type in exact deposit amount, then tap on front and take a clear picture of the front of the check. As you do that, you want to turn the check over and sign it and write for mobile deposit only, or similar as instructed. Then tap on the next and take a picture of the back of the endorsed check. Then you want to check the details, amount, account image, and tap deposit to finish. And that's how you should be able to deposit checks using mobile app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.